Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got two Hot Wheels today from the Hot Wheels Silver series, and these are Pantone Kool Kombis. You can see these are like color variants. I got two of them for around 300 rupees, right? 300 rupees each. And what I'm going to do is like we will unbox it one of them today, okay? And let's see how it rolls and how the paint job is, how the finish is, right? So yeah, I guess I'll keep the left one aside and we'll open the right one. Okay, let's open it and see. If you are not keeping the cards, you should tear it like you're not keeping the cards, right? Just thrash it. Okay, you have one carded, one uncarded, and this looks good. This looks good. You can see the color mentioned over here also, Pantone 021, right? And very orangish finish, but the color, as you say, like it's Pantone, right? And pretty good, pretty good. The glass, the Volkswagen written there, right? The Kool Kombi. It rolls pretty good. Let me just focus and show you how the paint stripes goes. See the color wheelbase, right? Volkswagen. See the behind engine and all. They have given the details. The surfboards over there, right? Kool Kombi is having very different kind of legacy in Hot Wheels, right? There are a lot of variants in Kool Kombis, and this one I'm feeling good to have in my collection, right? Let me know, do you like Kool Kombis, guys, and or not, right? But rolls pretty good. You can have this in collection for sure, for sure. Every Hot Wheels lover should have this. And by the way, this is from the Silver series, and it is 4 of 6, right, from the edition. And let me show you the other cars that they're having. This is Nissan Fairlady, 694 Ford Boss, Twin Mill, Kool Kombi, and there were others also. Not sure. Let's see the base of this. What's written on that? I'm not able to read it properly. Let me zoom in. Made in Thailand, right? 2012. This casting is made, and some Hot Wheels branding over there. Very cool car, guys. Hope you like this video. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep subscribing. Bye bye.